Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make soy sauce butter scallop. Scallops grilled with soy sauce and butter. It's so delicious. Today I'm going to grill it in the shell, but if you can't get the scallop in the shell, you can just use whatever dish you have that you can grill. Let's get started. These are what you need. Some scallop, some soy sauce, sake and butter. Let's remove the scallop from the shell. This is the top side and this is the bottom side. And I'm going to remove the scallop off from the top shell first. So flip it over. White side, bottom side facing up. Spatula between the shell and scrape the scallop off from the top shell. So the spatula is always scraping the back side of the top shell. Shell. There is a bag with some blackish thing inside. I'm going to pull the bag off from the shell to remove this black bag and the ribbons. So there is only scallop left in the shell. Let's scrape it off from the shell. This is a part I removed from the shell. And this ribbon part, this one, it's edible. So let's take it off from the rest of the part. And these ribbons, it's very slimy. To remove the sliminess, let's scrape it using the back side of the knife. The slimy part removed. And this ribbon, this is a little bit too long to eat, so let's cut it in half. I'm going to rinse and dry the scallop, the shells, and the ribbons. Scallop in each shell. And some ribbons. Little bit of sake. Soy sauce. Butter. Let's put them in the oven and grill. Parchment paper on the oven tray so that it's easier to clean up later. Put the scallops on the parchment paper and let's grill them. I grilled them about 10 minutes over 250 degrees Celsius and it's ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in next video too, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!